Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're still using Photoshop to design esports jersey mock-ups, there's an easier way. Using Gemini, a full custom esports jersey mock-up can be created for free. It starts by uploading a plain white t-shirt and adding a prompt to generate the print pattern. After a few seconds, the jersey design is ready. From there, the same process is used to add the brand logo, hero artwork, player name and number, and the final background. Step by step, the jersey comes together and looks match-ready. All the prompts are shared at the end so you can create your own for free.